All right, so there's one more type of problem that you're going to see while using these comparison bars. So this is called an unknown larger amount. As I'm reading this problem, I want you to be thinking about why it's called an unknown larger amount type of problem. So it says Maribel has 18 stickers. Arnon has 13 more stickers than Maribel. How many stickers does Arnon have? So, in this particular problem, it is telling us how many stickers Maribel has and how many more stickers Arnon has. But it doesn't tell us the total number that Arnon has, which is going to be the biggest number. So remember that our biggest number goes in our top comparison bar here, but we don't know what that is yet. So first we are going to say how many Maribel has. So I'm going to label my bar here as Maribel, and our problem tells us that she has 18 stickers. So I'm going to put 18 in this bar down here. Now this circle tells us how many more the other person has, or how many fewer Maribel has than Arnon. So we know that Arnon has 13 more stickers than Maribel. So to find out the larger amount, so how many stickers Arnon has, we are going to have to add up 18 plus 13. So if we do 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, we put the 1 down here, make the new group, put the 10 with the tens place up top. So then if we do 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's going to be 3. So now, instead of that question mark there, we know that Arnon has 31 stickers, which is 13 more stickers than Maribel had, and Maribel has 13 fewer stickers than Arnon had. So that is how you can use your comparison bars to find the unknown larger number. Hope that helps.